How to change WhatsApp profile picture on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can change WhatsApp profile picture on iPhone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So first of all, open up your WhatsApp. And after you've opened up your WhatsApp, go to the settings on the bottom right. After you are there, tap on your name on the top here. And you should see the edit button right under your profile picture. Tap on edit. And from here, you'll get multiple options. You can create one from your avatar. You can take a photo. You can choose a photo from your gallery. You can choose one, but I'll just take a picture. So after you take or choose a picture, you can then tap on the use photo option. Move and scale it, you can crop it, then tap on done. And after you've done that, you have now changed your profile picture on WhatsApp. And that's how simple it is, guys, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.